Plant flowers?
Of course.
I'm so excited.
Wow. Amazing. Hello, my good people, and welcome back to the Brigy family. Today, I'm gonna show you one of the typical duties we do in our countryside home. Now, spring has already started here, and typically, we always decorate our outdoor garden with vegetables, flowers, and so on. In this video, we will show you how we grow some flowering plants and vegetables from seeds. It's one of the easiest and cheapest methods you can do to decorate your small garden at home. And I hope this video should provide you with a little bit of inspiration to get started. Let's do it together. And to get started, we need seedling trays, water, pot, soil, and of course seeds. And they have holes at the bottom for drainage, or rather to drain out the excess water. Here we have wine and roses, Peter pears, Iris atlantica, Gladiolus hybridus, spinach, kales, and watermelon. I have some little helpers here. Okay, guys, we have soil here. I have like 50% organic soil home, and I'm going to mix it up in here. If you check correctly here, the soil have got some lumps, so I'm going to get some lumps to have smooth and fine soil. You can do by hand, or you can take something else. I need some fine soil.
Bridge, well, do you need some help?
Of course, why not? Thank you. Let's make the soil.
The soil?
Yes. We need fine soil without lumps, you know. You must do like this.
I did it.
You did it. That's amazing job. You're my little helper.
Are you sure to plant flowers?
Yes, why not? Just slowly, good slowly like this.
So, that Nasta here is in the video. What are you laughing about?
I'm just happy because you helped me. Okay, guys, I think the soil is fine now. And we are going to put on this pot. Yeah, I have.
Can I do me?
Of course.
Okay.
I'm going to fill in with soil and have some holes for drainage.
Just like this?
Yes.
Bridge.
Ah, this is amazing.
Oh, Baba. Thank you. Bridge, I do myself.
Okay. I am pressing the soil gently to level it up and make it fine, but not too tightly to allow room for the seeds to sprout and grow.
Say there's George.
This seedling pack features different flower images on the outer cover. However, despite the varied pictures, the seeds enclosed are typically of the same variety. I'm just gently laying the seeds on the soil surface as per the instruction and the recommended spacing. Pot usually about 1 to 2 inches apart. This is the third one.
So guys, we can put sand. No. And after that, thing is done. So that we can take it off. You see, and done. Guys, we're sure I'm very silent because we want to do a magic finger. So magic cool, man. But this is normal. I don't think so. But this is too hard because we can roll. This is done. We can make a really pie.
So this is the next one. I am making holes at the appropriate depth of the seed, typically around 2 to 3 times the seed diameter. But I always read the instruction before on the package. According to the instruction of this package, it shows that it grows up to 3 meters high.
So guys, I finished the moment. Now it can turn.
This one.
You see, to land. It's like number 6. But no, it's like number 7. But sure, you can make like this.
And you can see there are small plant markers or labels in the pots. This helps easily distinguish between different types of seedlings. Let me know, how do you successfully grow flowering plants and vegetables from seeds in your outdoor garden or small garden at home? Share your top tips, tricks, and experiences with us for maximizing growth. I am watering the seeds sown gently and evenly to ensure proper hydration without causing waterlogging. As you can see, I'm using a spray bottle to moisten the soil thoroughly, but also to avoid flooding the container. This helps prevent root rot and promotes healthy growth of the seedlings. Yeah, that's how I do it. We are on the second bunch. Now I have the most soil here, like 40%, and organic soil, like 10%. I'm going to mix. Have a little bit lamps, so I'm gonna kill out the lamps. I'll use this mixture to grow seedlings of kales, spinach, tomato, eggplant, watermelon, bell pepper, red chili pepper, and so on. I have seedling tray, so I'm going to fill in with some soil. I don't put them to be so full because after I put some seeds, I will fill in with a little bit soil, so we need to make sure they are not totally full. I start with kales. Typically, I'm adding enough topsoil to cover the seeds by about 1/4 to 1/2 inch. This provides adequate coverage and support for the seeds to germinate and grow into healthy seedlings. I'm going to put some water. I'm going to place all these partially on the shade to protect them from harsh sunlight, prevent wilting, reduce stress, and promote outgrowth. This helps the seedlings acclimate gradually to outdoor conditions and ensures they thrive in the long run. They're a little bit big. I am going to add some topsoil here on top. This provides nutrients, moisture, and support for the seeds to germinate and sprout into healthy plants. Topsoil is crucial for seedling growth and development.
Mommy, can I help you with the water?
Of course! Thank you! Why not?
Can you put it around?
You can do it. Wait. This is my little helper.
Okay, I'll try it around. Bleach is finished. I run like this.
Thank you. If you find this video helpful and inspiring, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more inspiring videos and more updates.